Hi everybody, it's food pantry day and woohoo, it was open. We were talking to the lady a little bit about it. They had to re-insulate the walk-in coolers because they wasn't staying up to temperature. I hope it was just that week that they weren't staying up to temperature. I hope. So far, we've eaten everything from the food pantries and haven't gotten sick, so we're good. So yeah, that's what they were doing last week. So we have an in-date gallon of milk. That's always nice when they're in date. And I know, they're good for a couple days after, but usually they're like a week or two out of date. We got mashed potatoes. Those right there is the start of supper. And we got chicken breast. That's always good, and it's quite a good little pack of it. That's always good, and Mom got one too, so she was out of chicken, so that's good. We got seasoned chicken tenders and asparagus meal kit. I'll eat that because I'm the only one that likes asparagus, so that's fine. Same thing with this. Coconut chicken curry. I'm the only one that likes coconut. So, there again, that's up to me. They both will go back into the freezer until needed. We got Portland Pie Company French onion pizza dough. That'll go back in the freezer too. 2 sweet potatoes. And a bunch of lunch meat. We got chicken breast and low sodium maple honey turkey and oven roasted chicken turkey breast. Awesome. We got, let's see, Bondule Bistro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or not, but Bondule Bistro bowls, loaded 40% more toppings, grilled chicken, and guacamole. Yeah, yum. Not really, I don't like guacamole, but other people do. But I will take it out and use the other stuff around it, just not the guacamole part. We got white mushrooms, love mushrooms. And we got a good looking bag of green beans. They don't even look slimy. Nice. Sub rolls. And I have been craving coleslaw. Guess what I'm going to make? Coleslaw dressing to go on my coleslaw. Yep, that's what I'm going to have. We got Southwest chopped salad. The salad part looks alright, and I usually use that. If I don't use the other stuff, then I take the hot stuff out. And don't use the hot stuff. That's the good thing about those packs, is they come with options. We got 2 bags of seedless grapes, and they look very good. They just got to go in the refrigerator and get cold, so me and Emma can eat them. Because we do cold. We like cold fruit. We got a whole big bag of broccoli florets. There's some mashed potatoes, broccoli florets, and whatever I decide to have for a meat to go with it. Maybe some of the chicken. Who knows? I could do up the green beans too, and then we have lots of green stuff. Nah, I'll save that for a second meal because Emma doesn't eat the green stuff. Crisp rice. Pinto beans. A pretty good sized bag of little organic carrots. We know they're cut down to size. And they're soaked and all that kind of stuff, but I don't care. I like them. We got a papaya. And some organic bananas. Organic biology. Alkaline water. I'm not sure what the difference is between regular water and alkaline water. Maybe I'll look that up and see. Vegetable oil, that's good because my kids have totally cleaned me out of the vegetable oil. Especially that little boy of mine. Nescafe Classico coffee packets. Okay. And that's about it. But that's our food pantry haul. It's a great, wonderful, super haul. And then we went yard sailing afterwards, and I picked up a bunch of Paw Patrol vehicles and stuff like that to put on eBay. Hopefully I'll get to that. I got to take all the Paw Patrol we've bought over the last couple of weeks and put it all out on my living room floor because I've got a ton of it. I don't even know what I've got in there. I've only got one car on so far. And that's a little shade cat car. I didn't even know they did cats in Paw Patrol, but now I do. Alrighty. Well, that's our food pantry haul for today. Hope you enjoyed watching. Like, share, check out another video, and we'll see you on the next one.